Broadcasting from Universal Studios Hollywood, KUSH is on the air.
The great thing about the Backlot is that we can take you back to the future and also blast you back to the Stone Age.
Wilma, I'm home!
Flintstones, they're a modern Stone Age family. Flintstones! Town of Red Rock, they're a page right out of history. Let's ride with the family down the street, through the courtesy of Preston Beach. And you're with the Flintstones, have a yabba-dabba-doo time, a dabba-doo time. We'll have a gay old time.
Man, I want some of those Bronto ribs that tip my car over. That's from the Flintstones with John Goodman, Elizabeth Perkins, Rick Moranis, and Rosie O'Donnell.
This is Universal Studios. You're in Hollywood now.
All Universal hits all the time. KUSH, Hollywood. KUSH, Hollywood.
Stay tuned for more information from KUSH, live from Universal Studios Hollywood.
Broadcasting from Universal Studios Hollywood, KUSH is on the air.